To make a Wix website multilingual, access site settings. Log into your Wix account and navigate to your website's dashboard. Language settings. Go to the site settings or dashboard menu. Look for the language settings or multilingual feature. Wix offers the Wix Multilingual app for this purpose. Add languages. Choose the languages you want to add to your website. Wix supports various languages. Select the ones you need. Content translation. Wix Multilingual automatically duplicates your website content. Review and manually edit translated content to ensure accuracy and context appropriateness. Language switcher. Enable a language switcher on your website. This typically appears as a drop-down or flags representing different languages. This allows visitors to choose their preferred language. Page duplication and translation. For each page, Wix Multilingual creates a duplicate in the selected languages. Access each duplicated page to customize the translated content. Review and publish. Review all pages in different languages to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, publish your multilingual website. SEO for each language. Optimize each language version for SEO by customizing metadata, URLs, and text for better visibility in search engines.